Anthony M. Elmore, President and Founder of the proud Black Buddhist World Association, here today to bring you another exciting Black Buddhist lectures. We at the proud Black Buddhist World Association are not only the Black Buddhist force in America, we are the Black Buddhist force in the world, and we are the only Black Buddhist organization in the world that do not have Asian Buddhist masters. When we learned that the Asians extricated all Black history, culture, and language from the Buddhist teachings, we extricated them out as our teachers. Now, today we're going to bring you exciting Buddhist lecture. My lecture today is that Ghandi was a racist Hindu Brahman. The birth of racism started in India via the Hindu caste system, whereas they created Sanctified Racism and the caste system, the worst inhumanity against humanity in human history. The University of Ghana, when they learned that Ghandi was a racist, they removed the Ghandi statue. Many people worldwide related Dr. Ghandi and Dr. Martin Luther King together. They even have a Ghandi statue at the Civil Rights Museum in my hometown of Memphis, Tennessee. Ghandi wanted rights and equality for only the Hindu. It was Ghandi who fought to keep the Dalit or a black family in India enslaved. Mahatma Gandhi was a Hindu. In fact, it was Dr. Ambedkar, who was a legal scholar, who was one of the most brilliant minds of all of India. And when the British was about to turn power over to the Indian, Dr. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi got into a big squabble because Dr. Ambedkar wanted to bring equality. He wanted to be guaranteed that the Dalits, the untouchable, he wanted to create a situation in India like we had in America, a civil rights legislation that would make it illegal to treat people with discrimination, and he wanted to guarantee so many seats in the House, and he wanted to dismantle this racist and brutal system in India. But it was Mahatma Gandhi who says, oh no, what you're doing, you're moving too fast. We cannot just dismantle the Hindu system. And Mahatma Gandhi went on a fast. And he went on a fast, and as he was about to die, pressure mounted on Dr. Ambedkar and said, why don't you give in? And Dr. Ambedkar compromised because the British did not want him to die. To this very day, Mahatma Gandhi, they don't like to call him Mahatma a great man, because they understood that he was a guy that set the Dalits. Now they call them Dalits, they call them Nagas, they call them Chandelas, they call them slum dogs. There were different names, but they all were the same. They were the class in India who was treated poorly. Now, Dr. Ambedkar, by him being the brilliant scholar that he was the man who eventually wrote the Constitution of India. And in that Constitution, he made it illegal to discriminate. He, as a young man, he challenged the Hindu system. He challenged the current thinking. And he fought against oppression. And before his death, and he died in 1956, he says, I was born a Hindu, but I won't die a Hindu. And what Dr. Ambedkar did was he publicly converted to the Buddhist faith. But not only did he publicly convert to the Buddhist faith, but he wrote a Buddhist book and he studied the Buddhism. It was Dr. Ambedkar who understood the Hindu religion. He wrote many books, scholarly records about the Buddhism, about the Hindu faith, and how this religion discriminated and how this was an evil religion and that it discriminated against one group of people. It was Dr. Ambedkar who wrote the book on Buddhism, who wrote that the Buddha was the indigenous people of the day. Now, there you got it. The great leader of India was not the racist Hindu Brahman Ghandi, but the greatest Indian was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Tell me what's a line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. Tell me what's a line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. Tell me what's a line I see. Disregard what the facts may be. All ancient icons show a simple fact. They all show that the Buddha was black. I believe in facts, indicator was wrong.